Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Juke side mirrors. To open them, simply grasp the mirror housing firmly. Gently rotate the mirror outward from the vehicle until you feel it click into its fully extended position. This ensures it's locked and ready for safe driving. Always make sure both mirrors are properly open before you start your journey for optimal visibility. Your Juke side mirrors are designed for manual folding, which means you'll physically move them. They can fold both forward and backward, offering flexibility in tight spaces. When unfolding, apply gentle, consistent pressure until the mirror clicks into its open position. This ensures it's securely in place and provides the correct viewing angle for safe operation of your vehicle. If your mirror feels stiff or won't open smoothly, first check for any obstructions like ice or debris around the pivot point. Never force the mirror past its natural stopping points, as this can cause damage to the internal mechanism. Regular cleaning of the mirror's base and joints can prevent dirt and grime buildup, ensuring smooth operation for a long time. For optimal mirror function and longevity, consider lubricating the pivot points with a silicone spray once a year. This helps maintain smooth movement and prevent stiffness. Always inspect your mirrors for any damage after accidental impacts, as even minor issues can affect their functionality. And for a fresh car interior, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Proper care ensures your mirrors remain reliable for every drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.